channel. My name is Nettie. Hello, what's up? I swear I say the stupidest things in my intro. It's not even funny, I swear. Today I decided to create this look here that I have going on. So I had a few individuals request me do a look just based on one palette. So I did, and it was super fun. And I created this like kind of like purpley look. So if you're interested, keep on watching because we're about to get started. Hey. No, so not working out for me, right? Hey guys, welcome back. So the challenge today is basically trying to create a look using one palette, and I've chosen the Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly. I don't know why, I just chose it. I was like, you know what, I feel like messing with this today, so that's what we're doing. I swear I have a ghost in my house. I started Bob, guys. There is a ghost here. Anyway, whatever. We're gonna use the color Peanut Butter right here. And we're just gonna apply this as our transition shade onto our crease. So we're just going to apply this lovely color onto the crease of our eyes. And I always like to do this, I don't know why, but I like to like grab some and just apply it onto my eyelid and then move to the next one with like the excess amount. That's just me though, but anyway, we're just going to mix. We're just gonna blend this shade onto our eyelid here. Let me know if you guys want me to do like a foundation routine, an updated one, because I have yet to. I haven't done one in like 2 years. So if you guys want to know how I've changed my foundation routine and what I have put on, let me know in the comment section so I can do that for you guys, because I know I don't have anything, I haven't uploaded a video like that. Oh, and I am using my favorite crease brush. It's by Sephora. It's an airbrush crease. I just read it. I literally just read it off the brush. But yeah. We're just using this color to blend it in here. So I guess while I'm doing this, I can talk to you guys a little bit about me. We're gonna take Nuts About You. Literally Nuts About You. We're gonna take this color and just apply it onto our inner, like right here, inner corners of our eye. We're literally gonna pack this color on here. Literally pack this color on here. And I am using a Sephora shadow brush. Oh my god, I have so many Sephora brushes. So something new. Let me see. Let me tell you guys how school is going. School is going great. I just changed my major, which is so not great. But yeah, I changed my major, guys. I'm no longer a nursing major. I am now a double major of social work and psychology, which isn't a big change for me at all because essentially what I wanted to do when I first attended the university, I was stuck within those 3 fields: nursing, psychology, and social work. We're gonna blend our crease here, okay? Anyway, so I was stuck within those fields, and everybody, like I was talking to, my family and everybody, like, do nursing, and I guess in a sense that's what pushed me to do nursing. And I loved it, don't get me wrong, but everything that happened with my sister, I know a lot of you guys are aware of what happened with Allison, and some of you guys may not know because you guys don't follow us on like social media or anything, but for those who do know, you guys know my sister got extremely ill. It got to a point where we kind of feared for her life. Anyway, I don't want to talk about that because I'm gonna start crying and I don't want to. So when that happened with my sister, I was able to see both fields, both nursing and social work, and I love the advocacy for social work. Like, I totally love how social workers try to help families who need support at that time of need, you know, when no one else is being there for you besides your family. I just love the advocacy for social work, which literally changed my heart completely. Like, I was all for nursing, but when I experienced that, I was like, okay, I want to do this. I want to be able to provide help for the families who need the help, you know? So whether it be like counseling or seeing someone, or you know, just in general, because when people think of social workers, they think of baby snatchers. We're not baby snatchers. We're really not. We just want the best for the child. So whether if it's removing them from their home or whatnot. Anyway, I'm not gonna get into that, but that's what made me realize that I really wanted to do social work. And I already had psychology as a minor, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna make it a double major, so which is what I'm doing now. And I guess that's one of my life changes just now, which I'm okay with, you know, because I want to be able to love and enjoy what I do, and helping people really makes me happy. So I feel like I'm gonna get so much work done with social work and being able to advocate for others who can't advocate for themselves. So I'm just really happy to start that field and that new journey in my life, you know. I'm trying to think about things to tell you guys that have changed in my life. I really want to do bartending. I want to quit Sally's. I know I love Sally's, but I want to quit it because I feel like I can, I don't know, I want to try something new. Get to be able to experience, you know, I know everybody's like, I hate a job, but like I want to be able to experience these things, you know? I don't know, I'm not human, I tell ya. Okay, so we're gonna take jelly, and we're just gonna pop this color into the center of our eyelids. And I'm using a Sephora Precision Shadow Brush. Oh, I'm loving the Ant Life. I absolutely love my niece. She's the sweetest thing ever. I don't know, she's such a mellow kid. Oh, Mom, are you sure she's not stoned? Like, I started off, she is so, like, so calm. I just love her. I'm just loving the Ant Life. And she's beautiful. My cute little Mia. She's my little princess. So we're just going to apply this color onto the dead center of our eyelids. I'm sorry if I get the mirror in the way, let me know, you know, because you guys can totally yell at me through the camera, right? Nettie, something else, I swear. I'm gonna be 21, guys. I'm excited for that. I'm gonna go to Vegas with my girls, no boys allowed. We literally were like, no boys. So sorry, babe. Sorry, my friend's boyfriend, hubby. No boys allowed. Okay, so now we're just going to blend our crease just to make sure that there's no like fallouts on our crease. Oh, I'm still trying that whole modeling thing. It's been crazy. A lot of photographers have been wanting to shoot with me lately, and I'm just like super slumped. I'm like, oh fuck, like I have to do YouTube, I have to go to school, I have to go to work, and I have to make time to go to these shoots. So I've been like fuck, like I've literally turned down so many photographers, and it's not because I don't want to shoot with them. It's just that my time is very valuable, and I'm like, where do I, what is gonna help me in the long run? But I'm super excited. I have a lot of shoots coming up. Literally, like I don't know what happens or what it is, but every time I have one photographer trying to shoot with me, there's like about 5 of them trying to shoot with me during the same time. It's like, yo, back up a little bit. So that's been a little stressful, but I've been managing. And then with this weather, like I've had to cancel so many shoots because it's just like awful to shoot right now. Fresno weather, Valley weather, it's just horrible. Okay, so we're just going to blend that out. Okay, so now we're gonna take Jammin, is that how you pronounce it? Jammin? Not sure. We're gonna take Jammin, and it's like a glittery shade, so I don't know how this is gonna be. Just gonna take a crease brush, and I'm just gonna like poke at the end of my eye just because I don't know how this is gonna look. So I'm just gonna poke at it. It's not really showing up. Oh god, never mind, I like showed up. We're just going to like dab it in there. Alright, I don't know how I like this. Ooh, scary. Holy shit. Okay, well, let's put it on this side. Another thing that's new with me is I've been trying to be healthier. I know a lot of people's like, you're skinny and this and that. Honestly, guys, I gained so much weight. Last summer, I weighed up to 135 pounds. Never in my life have I ever weighed so much. which is not a lot, but for me it was a lot because I've never weighed that much in my life. So I was like, yo, it got to a point where I was like, I went to my doctor. My doctor was like, Nettie, you need to really chill because you're really getting unhealthy. And I was like, yo, are you for real? Why am I saying yo? Anyway, but I was like, oh my god, like that's horrible. Like I don't want to be unhealthy. So he told me I had to quit the sweets, which I eat a lot of sweets. If you know Nettie, Nettie has the biggest sweet tooth ever, especially for chocolate. Like I have chocolate over there somewhere. So he's like, yeah, sweetie, you really need to like quit that. And I'm like, oh. He's like, your blood sugars are very high. And I'm like, oh. Anyway, so we're gonna go back with jelly and we're gonna highlight the center of our eye again. So when he told me that, I was like, okay, it's time to make a change. So I have been making a change in my lifestyle and the way, I mean, I always ate healthy. It's just that I took in so much sugar calories that it's like, it was just taking over my body. So I've been going to the gym, I've been working on myself, on my health and overall, and I am happy to say that I am back at my original weight, which is 120. Not right now, I weigh 122 and sometimes 123, just depends when I weigh myself. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and blend this onto the inner corners of our eye. So it feels really good to be back at my normal weight. I just want to be healthy because health is very important. If you're not healthy, there's no way of you making your needs, meeting your needs to survival, you know? And I want to be able to survive. I'm probably being over exaggerated. You can probably survive. But my public health class has been very helpful. Honestly, taking it now, knowing that I have to make changes in my life, it's really been very helpful. So right now we're just adding back some nuts about you onto the inner corners of our eye. Now we're just gonna take our crease brush by Sephora once again, and we're just gonna try to blend everything in. But yeah, that's pretty much it with me. But other than that, I think I'm good. I've been happy, really happy with myself. School, work hasn't been stressful. I transferred to a different Sally's, so which is closer to home, which I love because I'm able to stay here at home, come to home on my lunch, and I just love it. Everything has been working out so well for me in 2018. I'm like very appreciative. So yeah, now we're just gonna go ahead. I just added more of Gemin and I'm just blending this out because I'm talking way too much. See, this is why I don't do talk through videos, because then I'd be talking my ass away, literally. Okay, so now I'm going to stop talking about myself so we can get through this video. We're gonna take banana and just add this into the inner corners of our eye. And I'm using the bottom tip of a Naked, is it Naked? Yeah. Urban Decay, I'm sorry, not Naked. Urban Decay, taking the bottom of an Urban Decay brush and just adding bananas onto the inner corners of our eye to make the look pop a little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna take Nuts About You using a Morphe little like eyeshadow brush. We're just gonna apply this onto the outer corner of our eye here. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and take Jelly, which is a bright purple, and just put it onto what's remaining. We're gonna put it on the center of our eye. Here. Between the banana color that we put it onto the inner corners of our eye and Nuts About You. We're gonna put it right there in the middle. So this is more of a purplish look. Alright, so then we're gonna go back with Nuts About You and try to blend these two shades. Not blend, but make sure they're like, there's no hard edges. And we're just gonna drag Nuts About You like out into our eye here. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply mascara on the top and lower lashes, and I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I always forget who it is. I always want to say it's Tarte, but it's not. It's Too Faced. I don't know how that always happens to me, but we're just going to apply this mascara on our lower lashes as well. So now I'm just going to apply the lashes that Amazing Beauty sent me. Unfortunately, I did check their website and they don't have any of them on sale, so I'm not sure what the deal is. But I'm sorry guys. I'm obsessed with these. I'm literally gonna I'm gonna email them and ask. Okay guys, so for our last step, we're going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the color Stripped. So we're just going to go ahead and apply this color all over our lips. And then we're going to take the Tarte lip paint. I'm not sure what the color is. Birthday Suit. I think that's what it's called, but I got this at Sephora for my birthday, so we're gonna apply this lovely thing onto our lips on top of this lipstick here. It's just going to add a hint of purple, so yeah. So this is pretty much it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, the one palette challenge type of deal. I don't think that's a thing, to be honest, but someone requested it, so I was like, okay, you know what, why not? I've never do a single palette look, so here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.